Well, 25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope to a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should, the world is made up by this brotherhood of man, for whatever that means. When I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed, just to get it all out, what's in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside, I take a deep breath, I get real high, and I scream to the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? No. No. Try. Well, oh my God, do I try? I try it all the time in this institution, and I pray. Well, oh my God, do I pray? I pray every single day for a revolution. And I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed, just to get it all out, what's in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. So I wake in the morning and I step outside, I take a deep breath, I get real high, and I scream to the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, yeah, what's going on? Yeah, oh, yeah, oh, oh. 25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope to a destination.